You are watching the world premiere of the C1 Show. Swag. Look at me. I don't look nothing special. I ain't shit. Ain't that what spoken reasons be saying? I ain't shit. Come on, stop being so shy.
What up?
Yeah, this like my brother right here.
Hey guys, I can't put what a camera.
That's like my brother. That's my other brother over there. Yeah, brotherly love. I didn't even get you. What are you complaining about? Oh god.
What?
Is she gonna play? Alright, Cornell. Hey, when you make a video on YouTube, can you put this on your account? Like,
I'm looking for the camera.
I'm looking for the camera too,
because I'm looking not right at the
yeah, I'm looking. Where's it at? Like I can't.
Is this it? Oh, there you go.
Where's it at? Oh,
there you go. It's right there.
Alright, I do see it.
I'm sure looking for it.
Alright, what did you write on your script that you wanted to talk about?
Now, this is the song.
Okay, you want to do a preview of Women Can't Drive?
Why you looking for
Oh, okay.
let's not do that.
We're gonna do the. What'd you say? We're gonna do the.
Hold on. We do it. Hold on. Brush your love. Bring it back.
No, we don't have time for that. No, we don't.
Oh, filthy crick boys.
No, we don't have time. We don't have time for this.
No, Opie is singing.
We don't have to. Alright, while they're laughing at me and Opie and everybody else in the song.
No.
We're gonna do the preview.
What the first comment says? The first comment says, "Knock them boots." LOL. They talking about someone else, Mr. Horn.
Alright, what's the
first thing you
alright, why women can't drive? Yeah, anyway.
We made a lot of times.
The reason why can't women drive? Yeah. Would you like to comment since you're a woman too?
To me, females can't drive. That's why I always drive on first dates.
That's all.
And all dates. Females can't drive. They don't got patience. They got road rage.
They sure don't have patience at all.
I disagree.
They sit here.
Turn it.
No, don't face me.
Niggas gonna talk.
No, she gonna be. She gonna be in a. You wanna be an official one?
What do you think?
Well,
oh wait, you're not a driver.
My damn my pad. My damn my pad.
One.
Know what this could have done? I'm gonna put your first on this video, and I'm gonna release it all over the world.
I bet you get love from it.
Know what? Let's fast forward to his verse. Cause you just.
I second that.
I should punch you in your face. Bullshit.
He right, I've been to
Shit. I know Chris for too long. Bullshit.
Bro, I had to. It was the truth. We was on the subject. I wanted to ask everybody, and I didn't want to leave you out.
Know what? We gotta bring up. Do we need to bring up that video when you was drunk driving?
Oh shit.
Oh, remember that? Remember that video?
Do I still have it?
When you were molesting the mirrors when you was singing Charlie Boy into it? Like wasn't nobody else in the mirror?
Do you have it?
It's on your phone. Oh no, you did replace your phone.
Yeah,
all the evidence is gone. He was in the passenger scared. He was drunk. He sobered up fast. He was like, I don't know how drunk people. I don't know how drunk people swear. I'm like,
I'm never doing that again. I'm never doing that again.
I'm good.
Oh,
no, sometimes I don't know. How do people crash when they drunk?
And Cornell like this. Cornell like,
That mug was funny. That mug was hilarious.
He was like,
yeah, I swear it a little bit. That was probably my worst driving experience ever.
Why?
And
because how do people crash when they drunk?
I tried to park in that parking lot. I was able to do it. But when I woke up the next morning, bro, I was way over the line.
Hey,
you live and you learn, you know.
We have to make an official video. I do want to be in this.
Okay, cool. I want to.
Because I have a perspective.
Let's be in the video now.
Because that's stupid. We actually ask guys to drive us when we're drunk. We don't try to drive.
Oh,
thank you.
Chris.
Okay, you got your 2 cents. Oh God!
He had a potty mouth. When I heard it, you was thinking Gucci or something. I'm like, what is this? They talking about bricks and stuff. Oh, God. Yo,
I didn't say. Hold up. I didn't say nothing about bricks.
Wait, yeah, let me hear it.
I was talking about slanging birds.
I didn't say nothing about bricks.
Check it out.
I'd say take it off, put it on there. Man, go to my part. Since y'all wanna laugh at me, go to my part. Since y'all wanna laugh at me. Dang, I can't switch. How you switch? Oh, no, I can't switch. Once I come up.
I have no words.
Raps for Love, 2012 now.
No, that was 2009.
But I was listening to it in 2009.
We are leaving it in 2009. Nah, that's over.
Oh, shit.